Want to add AI to your PHP projects without switching tech stacks? You're not alone. Many developers want to tap into AI's power but don't want to abandon the tools and frameworks they already know and love. The good news? You don't have to start from scratch or learn a whole new language just to get AI features up and running. Today I'm showing you how CodeIgniter can help you roll out fast AI-powered web services. Whether you're building a new app or upgrading an existing one, CodeIgniter makes it easy to plug in AI features and keep your workflow smooth. Let's dive right in and see how you can make this happen. So why use CodeIgniter for your AI APIs? It's a question worth asking, especially with so many frameworks out there. Well, it's lightweight, modular, and super quick to deploy. You don't have to deal with bloat or unnecessary complexity, just the essentials you need to get your AI service online fast. If you're already comfortable in PHP, CodeIgniter feels right, and it's great for serving AI predictions. Whether you need internal APIs or public endpoints, you can build RESTful APIs in minutes, and the learning curve is gentle if you've used MVC frameworks before. Plus, it communicates smoothly with Python using HTTP calls, which is perfect when your AI models live in Python. It's basic architecture. This approach lets you keep your AI logic in Python, where the best libraries and tools are, while your PHP app handles the web layer and user interactions. First, a user or system sends input data to a CodeIgniter controller endpoint. This could be anything from a form submission to an API call from another service. The controller grabs that request, then calls your Python-based AI model, either using a REST API or shell exec. This means you can keep your AI code separate and update it independently from your PHP app. The Python script does, maybe classifies text, predicts prices, whatever you need, and fires back a JSON response. This keeps things flexible so you can swap out or upgrade your AI models as needed. CodeIgniter takes that result and displays it or forwards it as needed. Simple, right? The user never has to know there's a Python service running behind the scenes. Let's put this into a real use case. Imagine you're building an e-commerce platform and want to classify product reviews by sentiment. This is a common scenario where AI can add real value, helping you understand customer feedback at scale. Here's how it works. Your user submits a review. This could be a quick comment or a detailed paragraph about their experience. CodeIgniter receives the text and passes it to a Python script trained to detect sentiment. The integration is seamless, and you don't have to worry about language barriers between PHP and Python. The Python service analyzes the review, maybe it says it's positive, negative, or neutral, and sends the answer back as JSON. This response can include extra details like confidence scores or suggested actions. CodeIgniter grabs that, formats it nicely, and sends it back to the user or your front end. The result is instant feedback and a better user experience. The whole thing is clean, seamless, and scalable. As your app grows, you can add more AI features or scale up your Python services without reworking your PHP codebase. A couple of pro tips before we wrap up. These will help you avoid common pitfalls and keep your integration running smoothly. Use PHP's curl functions to call your Python model. It's reliable and straightforward. You can also use Guzzle or other HTTP clients if you prefer, but curl is built in and gets the job done. Make sure your Python server is always running so you don't miss a request. Consider using process managers like Supervisor or System to keep your AI service alive and healthy. Sanitize every input to keep things secure. Never trust user data. Validate and clean it before sending it to your AI model to prevent injection attacks or unexpected errors. And if you're dealing with lots of similar requests, use response caching to speed things up. This reduces load on your Python service and makes your app feel snappier for users. This setup is ideal for organizations that run PHP but want to harness the power of modern AI. You get the best of both worlds, robust PHP backends and cutting-edge AI all working together. So there you go. CodeIgniter turns AI integration into a breeze for PHP devs. You can innovate faster, deliver smarter features, and keep your stack simple. Next episode, I'll show you how to build a similar service with Java and NetBeans. Don't miss it. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more hands-on AI integration tips.